I'm Steve Briggs, Vice President of Sales at Dynabrade.
Dynabrade success starts with the passionate people that design, produce, sell, and ship our high-quality, made-in-the-USA products. It's just not our products that we are providing to the market. When you can improve someone's process, you have now evolved a relationship from selling to being a trusted advisor to the end user. Our innovative cost savings program is intended to increase efficiencies, improve the environment for the operator, and ultimately save money. Our experienced and knowledgeable sales teams are trained to audit end users on site with our performance assurance case. By doing so, we improve throughput and reduce rework, making them more efficient and getting the right finish the first time. But that's not where it ends. They then work with the customer to implement their newly refined process, train their staff, and follow up with them regularly to ensure optimized results. This is the true value we bring to the relationship. We are committed to providing solutions to our business partners and executing our value proposition of we listen, we observe, we optimize. For more information on Dynabrade products and process solutions, please call your distributor or local Dynabrade territory manager today. Or for more information, go to Dynabrade.com.